Hello, thank you for your interest in Custom Price Calculator. This was created out of our own need as Shopify merchants. We wanted to provide our customers with an intuitive way to order products tailored to their specific needs with pricing that reflects those customizations. In the example today, I will show you how you can charge for add-ons using this app. This concept is a great way to upsell your products and services and can be applied to all custom products. So in our example, we are going to be selling tiles and we want to offer an installation option for our shoppers to select, and when they select it, an additional price will be added to the product. So first, we need to have an active product on Shopify with a base price set. Today we're going to set the base price for the tiles to $100. You can also create the price based off of a calculation in the calculator, but today we're going to base it off of the base price. So to achieve this, I need to add an element, select checkbox, right, I'll call it installation fee. The unchecked value will be 0, and the check value, we'll put it at $150 in addition to the base price. Next, I'm going to configure my formula. To pull the Shopify product price, I need to type Shopify product price plus the installation fee. Next, I'm going to select which product to add this to. If I come here, I'm going to select tiles, and you can see tiles added. And next, I'm going to click Save. Now, we're going to go over to the Shopify product page. So if I go to the tiles product page, I can see now my calculator is here with the checkbox. We can also customize this in the styling section of our app, but we didn't do that today. You can watch another video to learn about that. If I check the installation fee, it goes up by the $150. If I uncheck it, it goes down. So if I check it, click Add to Cart, I can see the product tiles for $250, and they selected yes on the installation fee. That's all there is to it. In just a few simple clicks, you can create a calculator that lets you add a charge for additional offerings to your Shopify products. If you have any questions about this process or any of our other features, feel free to reach out. You can install the app and start a free trial directly from the Shopify App Store. Thanks for watching.